with mission to unite the opposition. Nitish Kumar had a jam-packed schedule today as he landed in Kolkata with an uphill task of forging a Gathbandhan. His deputy on his side and Nitish flew to Kolkata and met Mamta Banerjee. After striking a pose for the cameras, Didi assured that there is no ego clash and that the only aim is to reduce the BJP to zero. My first question goes to Mr. Riju Datta. Mr. Riju Datta, will you be able to forget the betrayal of Nitish Kumar in 2016? मैंने थोड़ी सी आपकी याद ताज़ा की है. ममता दीदी ने क्या बोला था नीतीश कुमार के बारे में?
मैडम, हम इतिहास रटने नहीं आए हैं, हम लोग इतिहास रचने आए हैं. Our mission and vision is very clear. We want to make BJP into zero, and for that we have no ego. We will all opposition like-minded parties who are against BJP, pro-India, pro-people will come together and fight, and we will defeat BJP. And mark my words, if every regional party hold their bastion, Congress does its part where they are challenging the BJP on 150 odd seats, BJP will not cross 150 seats in 2024.
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
I will just remind history. 1977, Indira Gandhi lost. 1989, Rajiv Gandhi lost with more than 400 seats, whose record even Narendra Modi couldn't touch. So, with all due respect to Narendra Modi ji, I don't think he's a bigger leader than Indira Gandhi. So, if Indira Gandhi can be defeated, Narendra Modi can be defeated. It's just all the people needs to come together in one platform.
You seem more confused than the united opposition, because आपने कहा आप इतिहास रटेंगे नहीं रचेंगे. तो अब आप इतिहास की बात कर रहे हैं. Are you ready to make Mr. Rahul Gandhi the center of gravity of the united opposition?
Rahul Gandhi question whether it will be Rahul Gandhi, Mamta Banerjee, Nitish Kumar, Arvind Kejriwal will be decided in a common consensus of all the opposition parties, not on a media debate, madam. And center of gravity is the issues. Number one, issues of the people, unemployment, inflation. Second issue, the suppression of dissent, choking the opposition, and illegal use of central agencies for political vendetta.
Dr. Anand Ranganathan, he's just trying to shove the Pawar imbroglio under the carpet. He's trying to say हम opposition के साथ सारा adjustment कर लेंगे. भाई कौन करेगा? Rahul Gandhi, who's wanting to sit with Rahul Gandhi to negotiate? Mamta Banerjee is not coming, Akhilesh Yadav not coming, Kejriwal in Delhi is not sitting in the same meeting with them. And then Sharad Pawar says, forget opposition seat sharing. Even in MVA's seat sharing, there is no consensus. So how can I tell you about 2024? What does this seem like to you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. हो गए नाविका, ये नहीं कि 1-2 साल हुए, 9 साल हो गए, और बच्चा ये जानता है कि अगर मोदी को हराना है तो मोदी जैसा बनना है. Do you understand what I mean? अब ये देश जो है ये उल्लू नहीं बन सकता. 20 लोग मोदी को नहीं हरा सकते. आपका फेस कौन है प्राइम मिनिस्टर का? यू हैव टू पिट हिम अगेंस्ट हिम और अगेंस्ट मोदी. दैट इज द ओनली वे यू कैन डिफीट मोदी. अब आप 3 इश्यूज ले लीजिए. इन द लास्ट हाफ एन आवर 2 इश्यूज हैव कम अप. प्रिंसिपली 1, इन्फ्लेशन. द प्रॉब्लम विद द ऑपोजिशन इज इट डजंट नो व्हिच इशू टू पिक अप टू बीट मोदी विद. Inflation is one of the lowest now currently. CPI is even less than 5%. और आज राजस्थान में मिस्टर गहलोत ने शुरू कर दिया इन्फ्लेशन बचाओ मेला. अरे भाई, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट 7.1% है इंडिया की, राजस्थान की 27% है. आप क्या इश्यूज उठा रहे हैं? आप माने या ना माने, लेकिन पिछले 2 इलेक्शंस में या पिछले इलेक्शन में महंगाई इशू थी ही नहीं. सबसे ज्यादा वोट टर्न अराउंड कब होता है? जब महंगाई इशू होती है. अभी इसीलिए तो मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं कि अभी आप इन्फ्लेशन रेट बताइए. नंबर 2, नाविका, अब मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूं कि बहुत जरूरी है. 2014 win for Modi was different because he was the contender, not the incumbent. 2019 was his real test, and he fared even better. People forget that Modi won 2019 by beating anti-incumbency. He didn't do it with empty rhetoric. ये जो कह रहे हैं, रिजुदा कह रहे हैं मोदी को जीरो बना देंगे. अरे भाई, वो बैठे हुए क्या मेरे को जीरो बनाने के लिए? He did it through the success of his flagship schemes.